All right, so here we're working with equations that are functions. And so instead of seeing the y here, we see f of x or g of x. It doesn't really matter. We're just representing these equations as functions. Okay? So if we start here, we have f of 2, meaning that our x is 2. As you can see, that x has been replaced with 2. And you're basically going to find what is the value of y when x is 2. So in your equation, you're just going to replace the x with a 2. Sometimes you're going to see in your equation that there's more than one place where there's an x. Every x is replaced with 2 because this x is replaced with 2. All right, and then you do the math. 6 plus 5 is 11. And so f of 2 equals 11. All right, g of minus 3. So then we know we're not using this equation. We want the g of x one. Okay? And so our x is minus 3. So you go in your equation and you replace your x with minus 3. All right, multiplication first, always. So minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. Minus 1 gives you 5. So g of minus 3 is positive 5. All right, what if I tell you the value of g of x, that's 5? You need to solve for x here, because basically we're telling you what the value of y would be. And so I replace all of g of x by 5. Equals minus 2x minus 1. And then you have to solve for x. Okay? So here the teacher would ask you to find x, basically. And so, again, when you want to solve for x, you're going to start with what is furthest away. Never the multiplication. That's last. And so plus 1. So 6 equals minus 2x. Divide by minus 2 to get rid of this multiplication by minus 2. Giving you an x of minus 3. All right? So here you're finding x. Okay, these are the stretch questions where I want you to find f of g of 1, okay? So you need to start by finding g of 1. So you're going to use this equation, because this is the g. So g of 1, again, you replace all of your x's by 1. Okay? So minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Love this. I know some kids can struggle with that. All right, so g of 1 is minus 3, and you want f of g of 1. Well, you know that g of 1 is minus 3, so you're really looking for f of minus 3. F of minus 3 using this equation. 3 times minus 3 plus 5. This gives you minus 9 plus 5, which gives you minus 4. So the total of this answer is minus 4.